Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. How do you stop birds from pecking your large red tomatoes or any of your tomatoes? And how do you use birds in your garden to benefit your garden? And what are some ways you can stop birds from taking the fruit? So it's pretty simple. Let's start with why they peck the tomatoes. They peck the tomatoes and they put a hole in them because they are thirsty. And if you want to follow me on TikTok, I did a 1-minute video there on solving that problem. How do you stop them from pecking your tomatoes? And the answer is pretty simple. Sounds a little counterintuitive, but you want to get a bird bath. This is a cheap, inexpensive bird bath. And you want to get a solar fountain. And that solar fountain was maybe $8 or $12 off of Amazon. If you listen, you can hear that splashing sound. The fountain helps keep the water clean, and it also makes a sound that attracts birds and also dragonflies. And dragonflies will eat harmful insects out of your garden. But you just want to set it up with something like this. Put a rock in there so the birds can land on it. Not only will they bathe, but they're going to drink. You can turn a bird bath into a bird fountain, and that will greatly reduce, if not stop, the birds from pecking your tomatoes. When it gets hot out, birds get thirsty, and that's about the same time your tomatoes are starting to get 4 feet tall. You have tomatoes that are going to start to ripen, so as it gets hot, the birds get thirsty. Now, you can also use bird feeders to attract birds to your garden. They will eat bad insects, they will eat worms off your cabbage leaves, and I recommend setting up something like this. There's 3 different kinds of seeds in these different feeders, black sunflower, just a mix of seeds like that. Also set something up with suet that has berries and stuff in there, and that will satisfy the birds that often eat your blueberries. So again, I know it sounds odd to attract birds to your garden, to stop them from eating plants in your garden, but it really works. So I have birds that definitely eat blueberries, and these are still full of blueberries. I've harvested a lot. I have birds that come and eat raspberries. Now, if they're starving, or there's a ton of birds that prefer blueberries and raspberries, you're going to have a problem. But often birds eat all kinds of different things. And I still have tons of blueberries. The blackberries are turning. I've got crows everywhere, and they are ready to harvest. So hopefully this helps you solve some problems in your garden. Attract birds, set up a bird bath into a bird fountain, and it will reduce the amount of damage that your garden gets from birds. Thanks for watching. Please check out my seed shop at therustedgarden.com, and you can follow me on TikTok under The Rusted Garden, where I'm just making a bunch of 1-minute videos that have some sort of hopefully useful information in. Thanks for watching.